Hello student, this is the fourth part of concept of continuity of a function. Today I am going to explain some problems based on checking continuity of a function at particular points. So today's first problem, students, find whether f of x is continuous or not at x equal to 1. Here f of x function is given by using two rules. F of x is given as sin pi x by 2 for x lesser than 1 and step x for x greater than or equal to 1. Now you want to check whether the function is continuous or not at x equal to 1. What should do? LHL should find. LHL equal to limiting value of f of x, where x is tending to 1 minus, should be equal to limiting value of f of 1 minus h, h is tending to 0, should be equal to limiting value of. Now we want to identify the function which is satisfied by f of 1 minus h, 1 minus. So 1 minus means this is the rule, no? That's why. So what I can write? Sin pi by 2 into, instead of x I can write 1 minus h. Okay, where h is tending to 0. Now I want to simplify this. Limiting value of, this is sin pi by 2 minus pi h by 2, h is tending to 0. This is same as limiting value sin of 90 minus theta cos theta, cos is pi h by 2, h is tending to 0, this is tending to cos 0, that is tending to 1. So what I got? I got LHL 1. Now I want to find RHL. I will find here only, students, listen. LHL I got, that is 1. Now I want to find RHL. RHL means limiting value of f of x, where x tends to 1 plus should find. So that is limiting value of f of 1 plus h, h is tending to 0. Now you want to identify the functional rule which is satisfied by f of 1 plus h. 1 plus means this one, 1 and 1 plus. So f of x means step x now. So what I can write? Instead of x I can write 1 plus h, step of 1 plus x, limit h is tending to 0. This is just like 1.0002. So step of 1.002 1 only. So I can say that this is equal to 1. Okay, LHL equal to RHL equal to 1. Now I want to find f of 1. F of 1 next. F of 1 should find. F of 1 is step of 1, that is equal to 1. So there what happened? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 1. Therefore f is continuous. Continuous at x equal to 1. Okay, by the definition of continuous, the function is said to be continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. Students, next problem, find the point at which the function f of x is not continuous. Not continuous. Interesting problem. F of x is equal to 3x plus 7 by, for example, the function f of x is given by h of x by g of x. Student, f of x rational function. If g of x equal to 0, such x values, the function is not defined. F of x is not defined. For such x values, you can say that function is not continuous. Okay. In other words, we want to find the domain of the function. The function is continuous or not, we will check in its domain only. So we want to find the values of x so that g of x equal 0. For those values of x, function not defined, means those values of x, function is not continuous. Okay. So in this problem, just I want to find the values of x for which x square minus 5x plus 6 becomes 0. So that is 3x plus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Therefore at x equal to 2 or 3, f is not continuous. Not continuous. Or another way I can say discontinuous. Students, important note. F of x is given as g of x with some h of x. If h of x equal to 0, f of x is not defined. So what values of x? H of x equal to, for those values of x, f of x is not continuous. Okay, this is one important note. Okay, so our next problem, a function f of x defined by f of x equal 1 plus x for the values of x less than 2 and f of x equal 5 minus x for the values of x greater than or equal to is the function continuous at x equal to 2. So what should do, Nana? Limiting value of f of x tending to 2 is equal to f of 2, then I can say that it is continuous at x equal to, or limiting value of f of x tending to 2 minus should be equal to limiting value of f of x where x tends to 2 plus should be equal to f of 2, then I can say that it is continuous at x equal to 2. So just I want to find f of 2 minus, that is I can say LHL, I will write here students, LHL equal to limiting value of f of x where x tends to 2 minus, which is same as limiting value of f of 2 minus h is tending to 0, which is same as, now in the functional rule, okay, instead of x I want a 2 minus h, but which functional rule should use, that is important thing. The two rules are given here, I want to use another color. Two rules are given, one is 1 plus x, another 5 minus x. So 1 plus x rule for the values of x less than 2, 5 minus x rule for the values of x greater than or equal to 2. But what is our x, Nana? 2 minus means this rule should use instead of f of x. So I will write that. Okay, limiting value, instead of x I am writing that 1 plus 2 minus h tending to 0, since f of x equal to 1 plus x for the values of x less than 2. Okay, now that is actually 3. 2 plus 1, 3 minus h tending to 0 means 3. So I found LHL. Next RHL I want to find RHL. That is limiting value of f of x is tending to 2 plus, which is same as limiting value of f of 2 plus h where h tending to 0. Now instead of one rule, instead of x I want a 2 plus h, which rule? 1 plus x rule or 5 minus x, that should identify first. So what is x here? 2 plus means this rule, this x means you should use 5 minus x rule. That's why limiting value of, so 5 minus x means I can write 2 plus h. Okay, h is tending to 0. What is that? 3 minus h, limiting value of 3 minus h tending to 0, that is equal to 3. LHL 3, RHL 3. What should do now? F of 2 should find now. F of 2. So which rule satisfied f of 2? Nana, see, x equal to 2 or greater than 2 means this second rule. So instead of x I can write 2 in that rule, that is 5 minus x means 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Finally what happened? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. Therefore f is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay, students, important note now, while finding LHL and RHL, if functions are not involved, modulus, a step or a special type of functions, directly you can find LHL and RHL, no need to find like this, directly you can find. I will show you, students, listen here. LHL means this is also equal to f of 2 minus, another notation. F of 2 minus means directly we assumed as LHL or x is tending to 2 from lower values of 2. So how to find f of 2 minus? Directly do one thing, students. First of all, identify the functional rule which is satisfied by the values of x which are less than 2. Okay, here two rules are there. F of x is 1 plus x, another is 5 minus x, but my x is 2 minus this rule. So now f of x becomes 1 plus x in this. So to find f of 2 minus, first of all identify the functional rule. In that functional rule, instead of x write 2, just 2, what you will get? That is taken as 2 minus. Direct method. So f of x is 1 plus x, instead of x I want to write 2 here, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3, that is nothing but LHL. In previous way also, by using previous approach also, we got LHS 3 only. Okay, students, Now I will show you how to find RHL directly. So RHL directly, students listen. Yeah, this is another way I can say f of 2 plus f of 2 plus. Now onwards f of 2 plus means RHL, f of 2 means LHL at 2. So to find the value of f of 2 plus, first of all identify the functional rule, okay, for the values of x less than greater than or equal to 2. So what happened, this is greater than or equal to 2, the functional rule is 5 minus x. In this rule, instead of x write to 2, just to 2, not 2 plus, write to 2, what you will get, that is taken as f of 2 minus sorry, f of 2 plus. I will show you 5 minus x, 5 minus x means 2, right? So what you will get, 3, that is taken as f of 2 plus, that is only RHL. So this is the easiest way to find LHL, RHL if functions are not involved in any special type of functions like modulus and step and signum. Okay. Okay, students. Our next problem: show that the function f of x equal to 2x minus mod x is continuous at x equal to 0. First of all, I want to rewrite the functional rule. F of x is actually 2x minus mod x. We know that mod x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. That's why what I am doing here, I want to divide it into two pieces. One is x less than 0 and x greater than or equal to 0. X less than 0, instead of mod x I can write minus x, 2x minus of minus x, what I will get, 3x. Okay, for x greater than or equal to, mod x means x only, so 2x minus x, x. Now the function becomes this. So f of x equal to 3x for x less than 0, f of x for x greater than or equal to 0. Now I want to find I want check the continuity of the function at x equal to 0. Just I want to find f of 0 plus. Just now explain in the functional rule, satisfied f of 0 plus, just instead of x write 0, that's all. 0 plus means this rule, in this rule instead of x write 0, what we will get, that is f of 0 plus. Next, f of 0 minus, I want to find f of 0 minus, try to find the functional rule satisfied by f of 0 minus, 0 minus here 0 minus, instead of x write 0, what you will get, that is taken as f of 0 minus, that also 0. Next, find f of 0 value, f of 0 means 0 only. So what happened, f of 0 plus equal to f of 0 minus equal to f of 0, therefore f is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. So actually what should do, Nana, you need to find RHL, that is limiting value of f of x where x tending to 0 plus, which is same as limiting value f of 0 plus h tending to, all same, Nana, all these two and this same. Okay. Next problem, interesting problem. A function f of x is defined by this, x is not equal to 0 here. I want to use another color for that, wait. X is not equal to 0. Okay. So what is given here, x is not equal to 0, this is the rule, x equal to 0, this is the rule. Now you want check the continuity at x equal to 0. For this type of problems, you need to find separate LHL and RHL at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, okay, then I want to find LHL, that is called limiting value. So in actually f of 0 minus you want to find. First of all, you want to identify what is the functional rule satisfied 0 minus. 0 minus or 0 plus, this one alone. That's why directly you can't find f of 0 minus. In previous example, for f of 0 minus, f of 0 plus, if I have different rules, that's why directly I found f of 0 plus value, f of 0 minus value. But here you can't find directly f of 0 minus value and f of 0 plus value. If the function have two separate rules for f of 0 minus, f of 0 plus, in that rule instead of x is 0, instead of x write 0, what we will get, that is f of 0 minus. Okay, we want for f of 0 plus, if we can identify a rule satisfied by f for the values of x greater than 0, in that rule put x equal 0, what you will get, that is taken as f of 0 plus. But here only what is given, x is not equal to 0 means what is the meaning of that, 0 plus or 0 minus, only unique rule. That's why directly you can't find f of 0 minus f of 0 plus. We want to use LHL and RHL separately. F of x is tending to 0 minus. By the definition, what I can write, limiting value of f of 0 minus h tending to 0. So now we want to identify the functional rule for the values of x less than 0. Less than 0 means this one, for less than 0 greater than 0, this only is the rule. So what I write, 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by 0 minus h. So limiting value h is tending to 0. Okay students, so how I can write limiting value of 1 by 1 plus 1 by e power 1 by h is tending to 0. Students listen, h is tending to 0, then e power 1 by h is tending to infinity only. H is tending to 0 means 1 by h is tending to infinity, 1 by h is tending to e power infinity. E is 2 point something power bigger number means that is tending to infinity only. Okay, implies 1 by e power 1 by h is tending to 0. This is interesting. Students, again I want to write, listen students, again I want to write here because this concept is important. H is tending to 0, then 1 by h is tending to infinity. E power 1 by h also tending to infinity only, because e is 2 point something bigger exponent tending to infinity. So 1 by e power 1 by h is tending to 0 because 1 is fixed, numerator is fixed, denominator is varying and is increasing, total value is tending to 0. Okay, that's what I can write here. I think you people understood. I want to erase this. Students, what I can write here, this is equal to 1 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So what I got, LHL I got 1. Now I want to find RHL. Next, RHL. Okay, that is limiting value of f of x extending to 0 plus, which is same as limiting value of f of x directly I want to write f of 0 plus h, okay, h tending to 0. So 0 plus h rule, 0 minus or h, 0 plus this one only, no? That's why what should I write, 1 by 1 plus e power 1 by h tending to limit h is tending to 0. Students, here what happened here, numerator is fixed. Just I want to explain here I want to explain. Numerator is fixed, 1 plus some just like infinity tending to infinity, see e power 1 by tending to infinity, 1 by bigger number, what I can say, total value is tending to 0 only. So that's why I can say that RHL is tending to 0. Therefore LHL is tending to what, equal 1. I will write LHL equal to 1, LH tending to 1 actual meaning, and RHL equal to 0. Therefore LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore f is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So this is interesting problem. Yes students, one more problem. For the function f of x equal to minus x for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, x square for x greater than 0, find a value of a that will make it continuous. In easy problem only. So listen students, so limiting value of f of x at x tending to 0 should be equal to f of 0. Then only you can say that function is continuous at x equal to 0. Or limiting value of f of x where x tending to 0 minus should be equal to limiting value of f of x where x is tending to 0 plus should be equal to f of 0. Okay, this is LHL. LHL should be equal to RHL should be equal to f of 0. So I want to find LHL. Okay students, LHL, that is equal limiting value of f of x extending to 0 minus is same as limiting value f of 0 minus h tending to 0 is same as 0 minus h, here 0 minus h, that is limiting value instead of x what should I write? 0 minus h tending to 0, so tending to 0 only. So RHL I want to find. RHL equal to limiting value of f of x is tending to 0 plus, that should be equal to limiting value of f of 0 plus h is tending to 0 should be equal to 0 plus h, here 0 plus h, so x square, function is x square means 0 plus h whole square, h is tending to 0, this is also tending to 0 only. Okay, next find f of 0, students. F of 0, according to the problem, f of 0 is small a, I will write a, therefore LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0, 0 equal to 0 equal to a, therefore the a value equal to 0 only. Okay students, next interesting question, IMP model. Yeah, x is not equal to 0, this is the rule, x equal to, this is the rule. If f is continuous at x equal to 0, find k. Okay students, what should do? Limiting value of f of x where extending to 0 should be equal to f of 0. So what is the meaning of that? Limiting value of f of x where extending to 0 equal to f of 0 given as k. Just you want to find a limit of this function, what we will get, that is k1. Okay, I will write the next page, students. Limiting value of f of x extending to 0 is equal to limiting value of 4 power x minus 1 cube by sin x by 4 into logarithm of 1 plus x square by 2. Okay, x is tending to 0. Students, here you need to use some results. Limiting value 4 power x minus 1 by x tending to 0 is log 4 only, log 4 base c, one rule. Next, limiting value of sin x by 4 by x by 4 x is tending to 0 is one rule, and limiting value of logarithm of 1 plus x square by 2, okay, by x square by 2 x is tending to 0 is 1. Okay, means what type of rule I used here, I will write again. So students, again I will write here x 1 only. So here also just like 1 log of 1 plus x by x is tending to 0 is 1. Such a way that you want to rearrange the function. Okay, listen students, is equal to limiting value of 4 power x minus 1 by x whole cube into x cube. So x cube multiplied divided here, one thing. Okay, divided by sin x by 4 by x by 4 into x by 4 into logarithm of 1 plus x square by 2 by x square by 2 into x square by 2. Students, listen now what happens. This x square, x cube get cancelled. So x is tending to 0. So I want to use a big bracket for this actually. Okay. Okay, 4 2s are 8 nana, 8 into limiting value 4 power x minus x, x is tending to 0 whole cube by limiting value sin x by 4 by x power 4 into x is tending to 0 into limiting value logarithm 1 plus x square by 2 by x square by 2 x is tending to 0. So which is same as 8 into this is log 4 base e cube by 1 into 1. So what I can say that, so this is take equation 1. From 1 I can say that k is equal to 8 times of log 4 base e cube. Okay, that I will write from 1. From 1 what I can say, k equal to 8 into logarithm of 4 to the base e cube. Okay, finally what you got nana, k equal to 8 times of log 4 base e cube. So this is a problem. F of x equal to 4 power x minus 1 cube by sin x power 4 into logarithm of 1 plus x square by 3, but I used 2 I think. So I used 2 now. I want to change the problem, students. Here I will write 2, no problem. Okay, this is rule for x is not equal to 0. This is rule for x equal to 0. If function is continuous at x equal to 0, you want to find k means just you want to find limiting value of this function for x is tending to 0. So what I got, limiting value is 8 times of log 4 base e cube. So this is the value of k.